Hey Bennett, so welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be filming MSP Rare Week 2018, the Spring Rares. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for over a month for this to come out and I'm so excited. I've finally done it and this is actually my first time filming Rare Week on this channel. Now, the time that I've had this channel, this YouTube channel, started uploading videos, it has actually been 2 Rare Weeks, but I didn't film neither one of them. One of them, it was Rare Week, but I just didn't film it because I don't know, I just didn't. I just kind of enjoyed the week without recording. I just kind of enjoyed it. The second time I was taking a break was during the time that I was taking a break. And out of the 3 themes that I missed, one of them was Rare Week, which is so annoying. However, I really want Fem Hairs. If anyone has it and they send it for me for mail time or to me for mail time, then you know where to find me. I'm only joking, you don't have to. But yeah, it's Rare Week, and there are some rares I want, but as you can tell, I'm not VIP anymore because my year VIP ran out, which is so annoying. However, I think I'm just going to buy a week VIP, a week star VIP, because there are a couple rares I want that are VIP. I don't really want. I could buy. Should I buy? I'm not going to buy a year because I literally only just a month ago ended my 1 year, so I think I'm just going to get this one. So yeah, I'm just going to get VIP, and I will be back. VIP again! I'm so excited. So yeah, I just bought 1 week VIP, sub VIP, so yeah, that's super exciting. I can actually open the piggy bank. I know it's been about a month since whatever. Oh my god, yes, I do actually get spin the wheel. I was about to say, I already went on this morning. It wasn't Rare Week, but I just generally went on to it to play before school, and it had this spin the wheel, but it wasn't like this. It was just the original one, and I thought I wasn't going to split this video, and it really annoyed me because this is part of the whole Rare thing, and I'm so excited. I know I get spin the wheel. Of course, I'm VIP. Of course, I get to spin the wheel. I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm just gonna update my status. I love this emoji. I don't know why. Got a VIP again. Woohoo! Okay. So yeah, you guys been asking me what is my username on MSP. I don't really know. I wonder really. I don't really know what my username is. Okay, so we're just gonna quickly take a look. So I believe there are new pets, which is really cool. Oh my god, I'm so excited for Rare Week. You have no idea. I'm so excited. So yeah, I believe there are new pets. Oh wow, I got my hair stuck in my earring. Sorry, that was really random. I don't really feel the need to buy because I've got about 4 pets and 5. I don't really do anything with them. But I believe these 2 are new. I know this water one right here is definitely new. I'm not going to get it as of now, but maybe I will get it in the future because it is actually really cute. And then this one right here, I'm not going to get, but I think, I know that water one right there, whatever it's called, is definitely new. But I think this one was, I don't remember, there were 2 new ones. I think them 2 are the ones, but honestly, I know the water one was, but I think that other one next to it was the other one, if you get what I mean. And there's meant to be new animations. I believe they're just ones that they brought back that were banned or whatever. So, that's not. That wasn't up too long ago, I swear. I don't remember. Oh yeah, these are the really old original ones. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'm not really bothered about the animations as of now. So let's actually get into the rares, you guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's Rare Week. Sorry, I'm one of them people that literally freaks out, and I don't even know why because honestly, oh my god, I'm so excited. Should I go in that 1 hour thing? Oh my god, that's the hair. Yes, I really wanted that. Hence one of the reasons why I wanted to get VIP. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I'm gonna see. Is it 25 diamonds? Oh no, it's only it's 15. No, it's 20. It's 25. I was about to say 15. Okay, I'm not gonna get it because honestly, reds aren't even that expensive. So what is even the point? So I'm just gonna be creating a bunch of outfits. Oh my god, my blazer is really annoying me. I'm so excited. I've been waiting all day for this, honestly, because obviously I was at school. Okay, I have wanted this hair forever. I still got the clothes on from that challenge that I did yesterday. I don't know when this video is up. Sorry if it's up on Friday, which is tomorrow. I just uploaded. I'm currently in the process of uploading a video that I filmed yesterday. So yeah, if it's a bit late, then I apologise. I'm literally gonna get a bunch of these. I really want the one in blonde, but I don't know. I just don't know why, but I really like this one. It's VIP Le Baume or something. I don't know how you pronounce it. And you got fish tights, of course, fish tights. But yeah, it's just RIP right now to all the rare traders. Literally. But as I said, so excited, it's Rare Week. Oh, this is cute. I like this. What colour theme should I go for? I feel like I always go for like blues and blacks and whites, and sometimes these like pastel colours. I like that. I like that colour a lot. I just love that colour. I think I'm just gonna quickly see what the pages are. Oh my god! Don't tell me it's like the drip necklace or something. Oh my god! Are you actually the drip necklace? Why not just add it? Why? Last Sats paper today. Yay! Wish me luck. Sats. Wait, I thought she's my sister's age. My sister's doing her Sats. Sorry. I don't know. I've got a bunch of them tattoos, so I'm not so bothered about them. I think that's the last page, yeah. I'm not so bothered about that tattoo, to be honest. Or that, like, drip thing. I'm not the biggest fan of this whole drip thing that's going on right now. All going on at the moment. I don't even know what that is. What even is that? I don't even know. What is even that dress called? It really annoys me that I always don't know. Oh, whatever that is. Yay. I really want this hair as well because it's very popular and I really, really like it. I'm gonna buy. So if I just ramble when I do these videos, I don't really know what to say because otherwise I'll just be like in silence. Oh god. I'm probably just gonna get this because why on earth not? That looks really. That looks really weird. Actually, I'm just gonna do it the other way around. Oh god, that looks horrendous. No. I got loads of them. I haven't really got any of that tattoo, but I never even wear them. Like, I buy them all the time, but I just never wear them. So, what is the point? But yeah, I don't know if I said, but these are actually ultras. I don't know if every tell me down below, is all of these like ultras? I'm just trying to see if there's any like hidden rares, like rares that are red. Wait, I swear is that a D-pack hair? I swear that's a D-pack hair. I swear that's a D-pack hair. Yeah, it's here. I swear that. Oh my god. I swear that's a D-pack hair. I swear that's a D-pack hair. I swear it's like an ultra D-pack hair. Oh my god, that's so cool. Is that beret in the shop? Because that beret was on the top. If not, then that's kind of a bit sneaky. A bit sneaky. Oh no, it is. Okay, it wasn't sneaky. Okay, let's just see if there's any like one there, maybe. Oh my god, there's like bunny ears. That's so cute. That's so cute. I love bunny ears. I think I'm just gonna deal with that. Are there any like does it even show up in this bit or is it? Oh, it does. I didn't think it would. Okay. No, it doesn't. What shoes? Are there even any shoes? Oh yeah, there's literally no shoes. The only shoes that are these flip-flops right here, which are so old. And I suppose you still can't get them in shops. I'm not, But yeah, there isn't really any new shoes, which is kind of not disappointing, but I don't know. I just wish there was like more choice of shoes. I mean, it's a nice rare week. It's just not the best one ever, if you get what I mean. It's like there definitely has been better rare weeks. So yeah, I'm happy with obviously it is rare week, but like I'm not like oh my god, like yeah, it's just kind of one of them things. I mean, even though I am super happy that I've got this, I'll probably be buying like a bunch of these because I absolutely love that hair. It's so nice. There are some really nice hills there. I love these hills. I literally like live in these hills. My MSP character does. She lives in these hills. Let's buy. Oh, oh God. um. So I just realised, in the Rare Week, the theme review that I did last time of the baby bats, and I'm just like, oh my god, I love it, but I can't get it because I'm VIP. Well, now I'm VIP, and therefore I can get it. Yes, if you don't know what I'm talking about, or you do, if you were there but you can't remember, I'm about to show you. That's the one I'm literally. I want to get a new pose to do this one. Do you remember this accessory right here? The hearts above my head, the head. I wanted that so bad. I don't even know where it is. But yeah, I really, really wanted it because I literally, yes, guys, I can finally get the hearts above the head. You have no idea how long I've been wanting to get them for. So I'm gonna get a nice baby blue. I'm gonna create a look towards that. So yeah, I can get it now. I'm so happy. You guys were like, can I gift it to you? I was like, I really, really, really would love you to, but I'm not VIP, so you wouldn't be able to gift it to me. But yeah, I'm so excited. That's like one of my favorite things ever. I was trying to look for some. I believe there are some new earrings. I literally went past them about 100 times. They even are like earrings. Yeah, they are earrings. Oh no, I don't even know what they are, but yeah, they're kind of earrings. So I'm just gonna. I think they are meant to be earrings actually. So I'm just gonna buy them. I'm just gonna add these to a bunch of these to my wish list, and I'll buy them another time because at the moment this video is just focused on, you know. Well, you know what it's focused on. Rares. But I definitely 100% will before this VIP runs out. Definitely 100%. Okay, I'm just literally gonna... I don't know. I'm just gonna add some of these to my thing because some people are like, what should I get you for like mail time? Because you guys always want to buy me gifts for mail time, and I'm just like, oh, thank you. And I'm like, I don't actually need anything right now. So, but thank you. And like, just tell me if anything. You know, I've got a bunch of stuff on my wish list. So, I'm just adding a bunch of stuff. So, yeah, you guys always want to send me gifts, which is really nuts. I have actually got more than 12 out of 50 gifts. I just haven't, like, I forgot to, like, like, you know. And I'm also going to buy a few of these because, oh, yeah, I just bought that blonde hair. I was going to put that on my wish list. I will. Yeah, I'm going to buy some of these because I absolutely love this hair and I've been wanting it for a while, so why not just get a whole bloody bunch? Why not? I don't know, that colour doesn't really look too nice. I don't really like that. I think I'm just going to get those two. I'm going to get so much and I end up getting two. I'm going to create another look. I want to create one more look. Is that dress an ultra, isn't it? That dress is an ultra, right? That dress is an ultra. I'm pretty sure that mirror dress is actually an ultra. Or am I just being thick? No, I think that's... I just ended it. No, I think that's not... I need to remember to take the hair off after because I'm creating a look around with that hair. Oh, I don't care. Just keep it the original colours it was. And I can actually have that heart around the head. Because it would kind of go with the outfit. I just don't know. I don't know. What colour would go? Oh, there's how I said there's literally like no shoes. When I found two more pairs. I'm sorry about that, my screen recorder just cut out. Anyway, as I was saying, I like how I said there's literally no pairs of shoes, like there's zero, and I found two more. So this pair, this isn't its original colours, but I was kind of, oh my god, messing around with the colours. I don't really, not the biggest fan of these, but there are also another pair of shoes. Let me find them. There is one more pair. Shoes are like cat shoes, but I think I might choose these, not like this though. I might like change the colours slightly. I don't even know why I chose that blue. I'm probably just gonna do it like that. I wish there was a colour more to suit like... Okay, I'm gonna have to mess around with the colours a bit. This is outfit number 2. I just need to get rid of the hair because I already have it. Okay, so I'm just gonna buy all of these. And yeah, these are the two outfits I created. The one, the first one with like the purple outfit and the blonde hair. Basically what I just had on with blonde hair, and then that one I just created. So yeah, that is pretty much Rare Week. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wish I could spend more time, but you know, like screen recorder limit. Sorry, that was my desk. But yeah, I do hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did, because honestly, it would mean the world to me, and I love you all so much. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and also don't forget to subscribe because we're so close to 40. I love you all. Bye, Bellas. I can't find the end button. Yeah, bye, Bellas.